Hello, my name is Ibne-Ali and today I am going to share with you a short biography of Bibi Fatima Zahra, daughter of Prophet Muhammad. Her parents were Prophet Muhammad and Sayyidah Khadija. Some of her titles is Zahra, glowing, Sadiqa, truthful, Tahira, pure, Abiha, mother of a father. She was born in Makkah, passed away Medina. Bibi Fatima Zahra was 15 years old when her mother Khadija died. At 19 years old, Bibi Fatima Zahra married Imam Ali. In her lifetime, Bibi Fatima Zahra had 5 children called Hassan, Hussein, Zainab, Kulthum. Hazrat Muhsin passed away before he was born. On 20th of Safar, Prophet Muhammad passed away and Bibi Fatima Zahra was devastated. 75 days after her father's death, Bibi Fatima Zahra passed away. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.